0 to 100 real quick. P-Star P, the machine, check it out. Haters hate to see a multi-talented nigga going after bigger figures instead of being trapped in the hood, up to no good with my finger stuck up on the trigger. Just another ignorant nigga. Can't stand an intelligent brother uplifting others, respecting wives and our mothers. Shout out to the great spirit above us. Thanks for not making us like them ignorant and limited suckers. I stay focused and hustle. I stay about the ruckus with these other motherfuckers. Plow through like a trucker on them busters. Lyrically the illest thing ever seen in the Philippines. King machine spitting clean, composition so complicated with lines for you to read between. The sonic compliment to a Quentin Tarantino scene. If each one should teach one, then each one of these verses spit through my teeth is something you can glean. For the microphone, a fiend has to all. He probably tell you that last line was hard. I ain't giving a fuck if it was barred. I give my opposition them scars with these bars, ripping them apart and plant their body parts on my farm to grow more rappers for me to rip apart and consume their hearts, rinse and repeat. I reiterate, it's too easy for me or any one of my team to simply just shine. My nigga, we gleam. I really am sick in this game. I stay steadily spitting the flame. Fuck knocking you out, I'm burning the frame. Ain't nobody containing me, man. I'm barely containing my brain. P-Star, know what I'm saying? Come holla at me, man.
Yo, I got you, bro. Alright. Let's do this, yeah? I got the beat in a headlock, coming off my head like a dreadlock. Young money, I can make your bed rock. Too many bars, many pens gone. Get wavy, ride the tempo. They can't play me, this ain't Nintendo. Slim Shady, no Eminem though. I can be your tiger, you can be my Kendall. Get ready, are you ready? Let's go. I got it high on demand, they're still waiting. When I get my chance, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna bang, 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 they'll be fating. Waking up the next day to a daydream. This a Drake beat, I got one dance. I'ma need you to get with my program. I know they're fucking to this like a slow jam. Why you moving too fast? Slow down. Fresh to death, call me Wrigley's. They can't mimic me, this ain't no symmetry. We ain't enemies yet, stop begging me, cause I put them on the rocks like Hennessy. Secondly, you better think carefully. If you make a wrong move, that's a penalty. That brings intensity. I move steadily until I hit him like an unplanned pregnancy.